Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a home that was recently updated in price. Welcome to this exquisite modern home located in the upscale community of Jamaica Beach in St. Mary. This house features four spacious bedrooms with walk-in closets, four bathrooms, built-in kitchen, laundry room, and a private pool. The open flowing floor plan is rich in exquisite details. High ceilings throughout the house with natural light, solar water heater, air conditioning, and an automatic gate. This property is minutes away from the beach and is 10 minutes from Ocho Rios, the tourist Mecca, and is 7 minutes from the Fleming International Airport. Call today to book your appointment to view this awesome property. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 800,000 or Jamaican $125.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.